All right, folks. Reminder, have a plan to pass for the year. Yes, your first two grades are about to go in the grade book today, hopefully 8.3 and 8.4. So if you haven't done those, that would be important to do. 8.3 and 8.4 going in this 9 weeks. We are having a test on Friday, right? So Wednesday, Thursday, we'll review. Okay. If you're not here tomorrow, you can review on Thursday. You can still get all this stuff off the Google Classroom, right? It is very important that you take serious that first test, for sure. Okay. Okay. Now, this problem is a kind of a ripoff of a problem on your assignment. So hopefully this looks familiar because it's just like what we did on the notes. Okay. So let's read it. The speed you must go to cover a certain distance varies inversely. Varies inversely.
Do we have to write that down?
You don't have to. Just show your work. Okay. Now it says speed varies inversely with time. Cool. So this is like example 1 from yesterday's notes. Does everyone have it? Hey, look over here. Now, it says suppose you must travel 70 miles per hour to complete your trip if it takes you 4 hours. So the way we did example 1 was we do 70 miles per hour times 4 hours equals, and then look at your next sentence. It says how fast. How fast is a question, meaning x. It's missing. So x fast means x is my miles per hour to complete a 14-hour trip. 14 hours, okay? This is exactly the way we set up example 1 yesterday on the notes. This is how we're setting it up on the assignment, on the front page of the assignment, right? So now we can solve this. So what's 70 times 4? 280. Thank you.
Really?
And then x times 14 is 14x. Okay. Last step. 14x. What do I do with that 14 to get rid of the 14? Divide. What is 280 divided by 14? Don't do that. What? Don't do that.
I blinked out when you said something. That's fine.
And then, what was the answer over there? 20. Okay. So when you divide these, you get 20. And remember, we were looking for how fast. So this is 20 miles per hour. How fast is that? It's driving school zone speeds for 14 hours. That's crazy. Okay. So maybe not realistic, but I did just change the numbers on number 2 from your assignment. So if you were really lost on number 2 on your assignment, this is literally how you do it. Why did I put the 70 first? The order doesn't matter because of the commutative property when you're multiplying. So you could have done 4 times 70 instead. It would have given you the same answer. Okay. Who needs more time on 8.5 assignment? So think about it this way. I'm giving you the time not to waste and talk and be silly people, okay? Please actually finish 8.5, because guess what else you need to do? 8.4 and 8.3, okay? And then if you never did 8.2 and 8.1, you really need to make sure you've done those too. They're not on this 9 weeks, but they are going to be on your test Friday. Cool? Nothing. Appreciate it. So, what? Very similar to the one we just did. The whole front page is similar to this. No, but the backside is where you start using that equation y equals k over x. Like example 2 from your notes that you have somewhere. Okay. Okay. So please work on 8.5. When you finish 8.5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8.4, 8.3, 8.2, 8.1. Test on Friday. I'm giving you time to work. Please actually work. Here we go.